Oof, I'm arriving and I'm hungry, so I need to prepare some fast and easy food. So I have one table, also I have some breads, some tunas. Where is the tuna? There is some tunas. And also I will prepare one small sandwich of tuna and tomato. So here I have my big. So here I have my knife and I need to find the tomato. So here's the tomato. So will be easy, fast for tomorrow. Okay, so I have some bread. So first I need to prepare my bread. Then I put this one. I need to put into parts. Also, I need to prepare my tomato. I'll do some thin slices, small slices. I just add two because I don't need more than two slices of tomato. And finally, I put it this one. This recipe I will use for my dinner tomorrow. I will explain how to use it. And then I need a spoon, so I have one spoon here. And I add some small of this. Then when I finish, I clean everything. But I need to put small of this. So I put just a little. Make sure that you can use everything that you put it, that you eat, because it's not we lost that food. So fast and easy, one small sandwich with tuna and tomato. You can eat it, and if you want to, you can use some bottle of water or maybe some juice, but really I prefer to use the juice for tomorrow at night. Also, I have one juice. And you decided. Remember that you need the trash to put it in a bag and put in the correct place for keep safe the environment. Thank you so much and enjoy you.